AJ the Thrill Seeker walking by to air raid here at the Hazel Park Homecoming Carnival. Woodward Heights, 975. This is the first ride ever. First time ever. And we're supposed to go start about a minute. Ooh, taking a little break. It'll be my first time riding, so let's see how this goes. Oh, wait. Haven't started yet? Wait. What's the start? I don't know. Maybe. Yep, here we go. I heard the bell. Does that mean it'll start? I think. Oh, man. Let's see how this goes. Almost there. Ooh. I get a little tired and I fall. Okay. This is very interesting. But I've never been on this ride before. But we're getting ready for in about a minute. I'm a little nervous because I've never been here before, so let's just see what happens. I guess I've gone through all the carnivals and lots of different rides. This one. But then, of course, I've been through something like Freak Out and the inversion. Well, not really, not this year, but hey, it's been about what, 8 months since I've been to a carnival. So this would be like my first. You know how it is. It's that first rush when the carnival series starts. Like now. I'm ready. I'm just gonna take a minute. Let's start now. Whoa. Okay, what is this? Okay, what is this? Okay, whoa. Okay, now this is interesting. I never seen this. Woohoo! Wow! Holy smokes! Okay, very funny. Okay, what is this? Okay, what is this? All the other way! Holy... Oh, wow. Wow! Okay. Okay, whoa! Really? Really? Look at this! Look at that! Wow! Oh, I was gonna say again. Oh, that was amazing.
That was. Are you like a vlogger?
Oh, left and right we go. Keep it going. This is gonna be fun. Well, that was what you call that fun. I would really want to get on this again whenever Third comes back, but that was my first time and I love it. From Hazel Park, Michigan, this is AJ the Thrill Seeker saying, see you next time.